Hey folks, Jay Torres, Toyota Beasley. As you can see, we've been getting a lot of cars in the last few days, and they are here for you. Half of them are sold, but we still have a few that are looking for owners, people that wants to come and buy them. This truck just came in, and as you can see, there is a 4Runner, there is a Prius, and here there is a beautiful GR86. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you. There's the friendly truck driver. So this is good news. For the first time, we are beginning to see more new vehicles come in. So that's good for us. It's good for the customers. It's good for everybody. Give us a call today, 864-855-2233, just to make sure that your car arrived. There's a lot of people that have purchased vehicles in the last few weeks, and they're waiting for them. So this could be one of yours. All these vehicles that you see have come in the last 2 or 3 days. So we have a few Corollas, Camrys, Rav4s, Highlanders, you name it. And if you feel like you recognize one of your cars, give us a call back, 864-855-2233. We're going to be open until 7 o'clock today. And that's a good looking car right there. Beautiful. Man, I would be scared to do that. There he goes. Folks, once again, getting a few cars today at Toyota Beasley on the 123 bypass. And like I said before, right now we have a few Corollas, Camrys. That's the GR86 that just landed right now. Also, we have 4Runners, Prius. And as you can see over there, we have more Rav4, Corolla Cross, Camrys, and Corollas. So come and see us today until 7, or give us a call back, 864-855-2233 until 7. Thank you so much and have a great day.